G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Great question from a trader. What is my favorite trading setup? Well, I think everybody knows that I like to short stuff, but that said, there are trades that set up for the parabolic vertical long trade, and I look for those often because they explode and they tend not to come back. And occasionally, if you come back to some of the classical charting principles, Peter Brandt, Schabacker, Edwards, and McGee, most of those consolidations that Peter studies are over weekly and monthly charts. So the idea is that when they explode out of there, they don't come back. And Peter talks about making the bulk of his money over 3 or 4 large trades throughout the year. And the Turtles did the same. They had several small losers, and they would pyramid into their winning trades to maximize the opportunities that they had trading daily charts. And so one of the things that I like to do is short, because I like the idea of the elevator down, escalator up, elevator down. And so I'm often hunting out pairs that have either gone outside of the day's range and showing evidence of reversal patterns. I want to make sure I'm not shorting into the front side of a move or getting caught trying to short strength. And as I mentioned to one trader today, you want to always short weakness against strength. And so sometimes hunting out a cross rate pair might give you a better trade setup. So we've seen some excellent moves, and we've seen some explosive trades. Obviously the Fed today was huge volatility, done and dusted. I don't want to participate in any of that, and I know that several traders like to trade throughout the day and continue to trade and get pips. And my emphasis again is trying to reproduce certain trade setups over and over again, the ones that can be scaled up in size. And so some days it's going to be perfect trade setups for those scalable types of setups. Then there's going to be larger 3-day opportunities, as we saw on gold, first red day. And we'll see other opportunities like that that are huge moves for larger, sizable 5-star opportunities. So it's always about hunting out the pairs and the best setups, the best instruments that reproduce the easy trades, the ones that are easy to recognize, the ones that are easy to size into. And even if you're on a weaker pair. So for example, you could have traded a cross pair. So several traders today, first red day on pound, which initially gave a trade off the high of the day. Some traders were trading the cross rate pairs. And I'll do a short video on how to identify weakness versus strength so that you're getting the easier, bigger move in the same amount of time. So some pairs gave off 25 to 50, but they struggled. They were back and forth. Whereas some pairs went vertical 50 to 75 pips in the same amount of time, but no auctioning back and forth. So again, I like to short. Great question. Specialize in what you resonate with the best. That's the whole point is figure out the pairs that you identify the best setups on, or learn how to identify the best setup that you trade on any instrument, and then know when to execute and when you have a sizable opportunity for 5-star scaling in. So keep it simple, traders. Tons of volatility. It's very lucrative right now. Very lucrative market opportunities for all of us. Again, thanks for the question. Keep it coming. Keep it 1% better every single day, traders. How good can we get? And may the markets go with you. Enjoy your day.